What's up, guys? A little different video today. Captain Christian Cooley here from Charleston, picking up my new Vantage. We'll start at the front, work our way back. We got the Ramblin' aluminum upgrade trailer, spare tire. We went with the offset trolling motor. It's a must-have for me when I'm guiding clients to have it on the side so I can see where the trolling motor is going. I went with the nylon V-Marines. We got a semi coming through. Classic. We got hatch and hatch, plug in the hatch, store all your life jackets up front, a lot more room for clients. Got the dark tan cushions, black piping, the floating rod holders on both sides, kind of set high and low so the reels don't knock. Cup holders, black powder coat, fold down backrest. Went with the piano hinges all the way around, and we got the little clear live well lid here, little bait access hatch, so when people are fishing back here on the side, I don't have to lift the hatch all the time, which is great. But it looks great, man. I'm super happy with it. Can't wait to get it on the water. If you're ever in Charleston, give me a call. My number is 843-714-5138. Random hookup charters. Thanks, guys.
Guys gotta ask, how did he do? You did all right there.
Pretty
right?
good, yeah.
All right.